Do you see any ash? You don't see any ash, okay? I'm learning and growing again, figuring out who I am. Hey y'all, what's up? What's good? What's Gucci? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jay here. Today I have something really cool for you guys. I'm doing a Walmart hygiene haul. Again, we went to Walmart and we went to Target, so this is a Walmart and Target hygiene haul. We're doing more than hygiene, like I said. We're doing body care. Just, I don't remember everything I got, so bear with me, but let's go ahead and get on into it. Here we go. So the first thing we're going to start off with is some delicious body wash, okay? Some soap. Really, it's not body wash, it's really just Castile soap. Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. This one is eucalyptus, 18-in-1 hemp eucalyptus. I haven't tried it just yet. I've been using the lavender one and it's really good. Like this soap right here, it just strips you. Like you just feel so clean and just stripped, and all of the oils are gone. Like if you want a soap that's really going to just make you feel super squeaky clean, that Dr. Bronner's is what you need. Like this is what has been missing from your life. I like to use this and then a body wash and then this and then a body wash again and then like do my shaving and everything like that, and then this and then a body wash again. I do it often. I like to wash a lot while I'm in the shower. But this one, the only thing is it doesn't really have a scent to it. It's just, yeah, it doesn't really have a scent to it. Like the lavender one smelled a little bit like lavender, but this one I can't smell the eucalyptus or anything like that. But I thought I honestly, I'm gonna keep it real, I thought the bottle was really cute, and I love brown for fall, and I just thought it was a really nice, you know, packaging with the brown and everything. So I wanted to try it out and see if I liked the makeup of the product. I think it's really just the best soap that I've used aside from like African black soap. This one, it's very similar. Like it leaves you with a very similar feeling, like that stripped feeling that you get when you use black soap. If you've ever tried African black soap, it's very similar to the feeling you get when you use this. That's really nice, clean, squeaky clean feeling. So, oh gosh, this is just, I see what people was talking about because I wasn't using her. I'm new to the Dr. Bronner's game. So I was like, why are we using oil soap? But then I tried it and I'm like, oh, that's why that's why we're doing it, because you just feel so clean, squeaky clean when I get out of the shower. Okay, I like to feel like, okay, I'm good. Let me put my deodorant on. I'm fresh. I just like to feel right. Who wants to step out the shower and feel funky? Like, no, you need to feel like you really gave yourself a nice deep cleanse, and that soap is a nice good deep cleanse, honey. If you need a soap like that, a deep cleansing soap, that's what you need. So the next thing I want to talk about is from Caress. It's my just regular body wash. It's the Caress Shea Butter and Brown Sugar body wash. I've talked about this quite a few times on the channel already, like at least 3, well, at least 2. And this one, it smells so good. Like I can't even open it right. I just have to, oh, I'm making a mess. Oh, I just have to smell it. It just smells so good. It's so warm and toasty. That's why I was like, I don't even need soap. I don't even need body wash, but I just wanted to get it because it just smells so good. And it's so warm and just, you can smell the brown sugar, but it's really creamy with the shea butter. It's exfoliating as well. This is probably, gosh, this is my favorite body wash. It's my favorite so far. I haven't tried any other brown sugar infused body washes just yet, but so far, if you notice, you know this is like bomb. Okay, it used to be real cheap too. Like it used to be like, I feel like it used to be like $3, but you know, I don't know, I feel like it used to be, but then it got popping, so people I like all of the other Caresses as well, but this one is just my favorite, like hands down my favorite. Now we're going to go into one of my OGs as well. I've also mentioned this one on the channel before. This is the Jergens Weightless Wet Skin Moisturizer. Okay, if you haven't tried this, I don't know what you have been doing with your life. I don't know where you have been. I haven't tried the Dove body polish. You know, there's like a Dove body polish that you put on, I guess, and then I think you rinse it off. I'm not sure. I think this gives similar vibes, but this is not one that you rinse off. This is a moisturizer that you put on right out of the shower, like while your body is still wet, before you have dried off. You put this moisturizer on, and I have been pleasantly surprised by the results. It's really moisturizing. I thought, because it seems really thin, like the consistency is not very thick, so I was like thinking it was gonna be like really watery and I need a lot of moisture on my skin, but it wasn't that at all. She's moisturizing. Today, that's all I put on. And do you see any ash? Do you see any ash? You don't see any ash, okay? She is moisturizing. She's moisturizing. And it's also really nice because when your body is still wet and you're putting on lotion, it's so much easier to put it on. Like, I'm gonna keep it real. I don't like putting on lotion. I don't like putting it on. Like, I feel like it's tedious. Like, I'm always like, hurry up, put the lotion on, get it done. So this one, it really just saves me so much time. And I still use this and then I use my regular lotion after it usually, but it just gives me such a nice quick, especially if you're in a rush, it gives me a nice really quick moisture, like a moisturizing or whatever you say. And look, I'm just so clumsy today. I'm so clumsy today. I'm like not in my right mind. But yeah, it really gives you a nice, good, balanced moisture rising, and then you're good to go. Just like out of it today, I don't know why. So the next thing I want to talk about is this Jergens body butter. What is it? Lavender Smooth and Soothe with calming lavender essential oil. This lotion, I like to keep it on me. It just smells really, really good. I got this and my mom took it. She took it because it's so good. But it's this one right here, lavender. I think it's really good to keep in your car. It's like good for the go. It's really clunky, I feel like, to keep in your purse, but like I like to keep it in my car because like I don't like to keep putting lotion in my car. But if I have this in there, I know I have lotion in there. You know what I mean? For a while. So, and I also like to keep like a small size like this. You know, I think the other small lotion I have is in the car right now. But I like to keep a small bottle like this in the house and in the car because I don't like to get huge big bottles of lotion because I like to use it and try something else. But this is one that I actually love and I had to go get it again because I love it so much. It just smells so good. I used it in my, if you guys saw my lavender routine, like I did a whole routine with body products that are just lavender and I used it in there. But this one, it smells good. It's really thick, moisturizing. Yeah, it's a great, but I love Jergens, so as you can see, I love Jergens. So yeah, you need to invest in like a nice, you know, moisturizing lotion, whether it's out of the shower wet skin moisturizer or like an actual regular normal moisturizer. I think it's really good to have a nice one that you enjoy. Another thing that I think for my dry body, the skin that's on my body is really dry, so I think it's really important for me to have an oil. So I just picked up this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Body Oil right here. This oil, honey, I love her. I've used it before and it's kind of like a gel, just a little bit, like it comes out like a gel, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see it. You see her right there? Just resting on my finger. She's a gel, and if you rub her in, she becomes an oil. Like she turns into the oil as you rub her in, which is really good because you don't get to make a big old mess of the oil. Like I like that. Let me just put some on real quick. Get that together real good. But we're still moisturized from earlier. Jergens did the trick. But I really love this one. I still have some of my other one left over, but it's very, like, it's almost done, so I figured I'd pick some more up. It has that traditional Vaseline smell, but it also smells really like cocoa butter. Yep, it's got cocoa butter in there. So yeah, she's doing the job. She's doing the trick. I love this stuff. And speaking of cocoa butter, I picked up some cocoa butter as well. Just the traditional Palmer's cocoa butter. It is a staple. It has to be included in my routine. It is not a house. I feel like if it doesn't have cocoa butter in it, I love cocoa butter, especially now that it's starting to get colder. I feel like it's so important, especially for your feet. You need to put some cocoa butter on your feet. Cocoa butter is always and will be a staple in my everyday routine. Everybody keeps stealing my cocoa butter, but honey, she always comes back and we're always restocked. Okay, I love cocoa butter. Like, I feel like it's a rite of passage, you know what I mean? Like, you get to a certain age, you want to smell like a goddess. You layer your scents on top of the cocoa butter. The cocoa butter helps scents last longer. Keep it real. If you put some cocoa butter right here and spray whatever fragrance you want to spray, it's going to last longer than you expected the fragrance to last. Like it's gonna last, like if it's usually something that's gonna last for 4 hours, you put a little cocoa butter right there, you spray, it's gonna last for 6. Okay. It lasts, it makes your scents last longer, just like other oils. Like this oil, any oil really, if you apply it first and then apply your fragrance, it's gonna stick to that oil, so it's gonna last a little bit longer on your skin. But other than that, I just feel like this is really good for like soft skin. If you want your skin to be soft, if you have dry skin, y'all know you just need the cocoa butter. Okay, so the next things I got, they're not really hygiene or body products. They're more random stuff that I picked up. I just wanted to share them with you because they're also included. Okay, so this I got at, I think I got this at Target. This is the 1 a day for women's gummies, if it'll ever focus. And I just really need to make sure that I'm keeping my overall wellness and health in line and in check. And I'm really bad at taking like multivitamins. I used to, but for some reason I got out of line with it. Like I take my prescribed vitamin D2, you know, but I take my iron, but I take my hair vitamin. But I just struggle with like just taking a multivitamin to make sure that everything is always on point and always on 10. So I decided to pick one up and give her a try. I've actually never, I don't remember if I've ever tried the gummies. And I really have never really used 1 a day like that. My mom really loves 1 a day. So that inspired me to pick it up as well. She's always like, you need to take 1 a day. You need to take women's 1 a day. So I was like, let me just pick up the gummy version because I hate swallowing pills. So yeah, this is gonna have to work. So the next thing I got were these beauty blenders. Well, they're blenders, they're makeup blenders, not really beauty blenders, but they're from Sonia Kashuk. I got this from Target right there for like $7. I just got them because look how pretty they are. Look how pretty they are. They're like marble, so pretty. And I just wanted something really pretty and fancy. I was going through something, okay? I had to do some retail therapy, which is why my next video is actually going to be like a Walmart haul, a clothing haul. Like I did go shopping for some nice sweaters and like winter stuff from Walmart. Let me open this because I've been like, oh, I got to do this video so I can open it. I really want to see it. This is what they look like. They're so cute and they're kind of big too. Like oh, they're really firm. And they're soft, but they're really firm. These are good quality. Yeah, I'm glad about it. I was kind of nervous, you know, because I've never tried this brand or heard of it really. So, yeah, and they're so beautiful. But the thing is about white beauty blenders, you got to make sure you get them clean, okay? You got to make sure you keep them clean or else it's going to look a hot mess. It's going to be brown and it's not going to look right. So, but I just think they're so nice and fluffy and just fancy. And yeah, I just had to have them. I saw them and I had to have them. Oh, but you know what? I missed something. I forgot to tell you guys about these exfoliating gloves that I picked up. Now, I have not ever used exfoliating gloves to my knowledge. If I forget, I don't know. I don't think I've ever used them. So I just picked them up because I just want to dig deeper with my exfoliation game. I feel like I'm good, but I need to go deeper and just focus more on it because I haven't been doing it as often as I feel like I need to. Like the 3 to 4 times a week. I haven't been doing that. I've been doing like twice a week, once a week sometimes. So I need to get back on it. And I figured if I get some exfoliating gloves, it's going to help me just to practice exfoliating in different ways and just have that variety in my routine. So I just decided to pick some up and try them out and see how I like it. Okay guys, so the last thing I think, anyway, well, if I forgot anything, it is what it is. But the last thing I want to talk about, get my hair together so I can end this with a bang. So let me stop. The last thing I want to talk about is this diffuser. I also wanted to bring this up so I can hurry up and use it. It's this diffuser. I don't know what I was doing. This is just a thing that you do, like, okay, I didn't need this. I just was like walking around the store, which I need to stop doing. Okay, gotta just stop doing that because this is not lasting. I just remembered I bought something else that's behind me that I'll shout out to. This candle, which is why I didn't need to do all this. But I got this from Target and it's a diffuser. It's lavender and bergamot diffuser. It's a liquidless reed diffuser. It was really cheap. I think it was like $7 as well. That's, you know, it was a good deal. So I'll see if I like it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna be so mad at myself for picking something up that I did not intend to go, that I did not intend to go there to get. So we'll see how let's see if y'all can see it really well. See, that's it right there. It's in that little box. Yeah, see how I like it. And last but definitely not least, I picked up this candle. It is good to smell good, okay? And it's good for your surroundings to smell good as well. So one of my favorite places to go for candles is actually Walmart and Bed Bath & Beyond. No, not Bed Bath & Girl. I always get these stores confused. Bath and Body Works. I think they have the best candles. Like, I really want to try Jackie Aina's candles too. I haven't tried those yet. But this brand, Better Home and Garden, you know, classic. They have this brand of candle and I just love it so much. It's very inexpensive. I think this was like $11 for this candle. And my favorite scent so far is the warm leather and amber. It's just perfect for any home. It creates a nice cozy vibe. The bottle is nice and sleek and it's so cute. And these come in these really perfect bottles. Or jars, I mean. I just think it smells so good. I finished the other one all the way up. It's still over here. Because I had to keep it so I can remember what one I had. But yeah, it smells heavenly. It's perfect to have in any environment. I just love having candles burning because I feel like it just sets the mood and it just makes you relaxed and it's like pampering, and I just love candles. So I had to pick this up and just have it on hand. Well, you guys, that was everything. That was all. That's all of the products. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you got to this part of the video, you're a real one. Make sure you like the video if you liked it. Comment down below. It's free to subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money, so I don't know why you haven't done so yet. You might as well just get on into it, because I don't know what more you could be waiting for. You might as well just do it and just get it over with, and then you get to enjoy content from me as often as you like, and always get notifications when new content arises. So just join the party, join the fun. I have a lot more videos like this. I love hygiene routines and hygiene videos, and like I decided to kind of create my own content and share my perspective. So thank you to everyone that watches and that likes the videos. So comment down below, like I said, and let me know how you think and what you think. And subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.